YouTube, what is up with you guys, man? I want to thank you for clicking on my video, family. But if you guys did watch my last tutorial, I told you I was going to drop 2 videos this week just because I did miss last week, right? And then I said I was going to explain why I missed last week in this video. So, what happened, right? So, the reason I missed last week was because I've had a crazy busy past 2 weeks. I've been able to cut some pretty big names, some really cool people, you know what I'm saying? And I wanted to share with you guys how I did it, right? So, I've always wanted to cut people that, you know, have a big name in their industry, in their field, whether it be sports, music, whatever, you feel me? And I've always wanted to cut these people. And I just kind of expected it to happen, right? A lot of times we expect things to happen without actually putting a foot forward and taking initiative to achieve it. So I was sitting at home one night and I was like, bro, you know what? The chances of some of these people just hearing my name or just hearing about me are so slim. You feel me? Like it's almost impossible. I don't want to say impossible, but almost that they would just hear my name, right? So I was like, I'm about to just DM every Cleveland sports team player on Instagram. So I pulled out my phone. I don't watch anything other than basketball for the most part, so I don't know everyone on the football team or baseball team. So I pulled up the rosters, I looked them up on Instagram, and everybody I could find, I sent them a direct message. That has to be almost 100 people I DM'd in total offering my barbering services. But the ones that I've cut so far have been the ones that responded, right? Now, what I want to explain about DMing, DMing people or DMing people that have a lot of followers and attention on their page, I want to explain like how to DM them in a way that will attract them to your DM, right? So in an Instagram direct message, if you don't open it, right, and there's still a blue dot, it's unopened, all you see is 5 words, right? So I'm trying to offer my services, say to a famous sports player, and I start off with, hey, what's up? My name is Andre. Chances of them wanting to open my DM are so slim, right? Because you know how many yo, what's ups and hey, my name is so-and-so? It's kind of repetitive. You're not the only person trying to reach out to them and starting off the conversation with that. And if they don't open it, all they see is, yo, what's up? My name is blah, 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 blah. So a cool tip that I learned from Patty Cuts, right, is you really have 5 words before they open your direct message to sell yourself, right? So in those 5 words, you have to make it known what you're DMing them for, and you have to make it grab their attention. So what I did is this. Alright, so right now we are in my Instagram. Okay, this is my primary regular DM messages, and then there is the request, right, for people that you don't follow or you don't know. So I'm gonna go to one of my requests. For example, right, this is what a professional athlete would do when they're going through direct messages from, you know, fans or people that want to reach out to them, right? So for example, we're gonna go to W. Matthew Roberts right here, and I'm gonna try to focus it, right? So most people, when they start off a direct message, to be proper, they'll start with, hey, I'm so-and-so and I, right? But I have not opened this message. So all I see is, hey, I'm W. Matthew Roberts and I, right? That sounds very basic, and you wouldn't be the only person DMing them that, right? You feel me? And that's no offense to Matthew Roberts. I will open this because I don't have clout like that. But if you're talking to an athlete who has thousands or millions of followers and you're trying to get their attention, you have to get straight to the point, right? So I'm gonna show you an example of what I did. So right here, I'm gonna go to my search and I'm just gonna look up an athlete. And let's go to LeBron, right? Because LeBron's probably not gonna answer, most likely. So I'm gonna go to his page. I'm gonna go to message. right? And this is from when I went to a game a few years ago. That's why it's still there. But this is how I DM'd all the players that I had an opportunity to cut, right? So I got 5 words to sell myself. So what I did is, in all caps, I put best barber in, I can't type, and then my area is the Cleveland area, which is where all the sports teams are at, and I put in Cleveland, right? And then I'll put exclamation point. And now, what he's gonna see when he opens his direct message and he sees he got one from Dreclipperhands, right? He's gonna see best barber in Cleveland, right? And if he was in Cleveland, that would be the area is located. So it would draw him to press on it. First of all, because I claim to be the best barber. So he's gonna wanna see my work, you feel me? And then I got straight to the point. I made him know what service I was offering. And I just noticed I put bar, I meant barber. But I let him know what I was trying to get his attention for, to cut his hair, because I'm a barber. So I put best barber in the area I'm from, Cleveland. And then after that, you would say it is an honor, or it would be an honor, or a great opportunity to cut your hair. Hit me up whenever you get a chance, right? And they would end up responding with whatever they would answer to. But that is a quick tip, right? And I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna show you an example of what. So I DM'd Odell Beckham, who plays for the Cleveland Browns, right? And what he sees right here is best barber in Cleveland, right? Now, if he's going through his messages, that's what he's gonna see, and he's gonna be like, "Oh, this dude's claiming to be the best barber, and he may or may not need a haircut. But the next time he needs a haircut, he knows he has someone in his DMs claiming to be the best barber. So he's gonna press it, and that's what he's seeing. You can see I DM'd him at least once a month, you know what I'm saying? Because you never know. DMs do get old. You can see if they passed it up. But for example, I cut Myles Garrett, and I'm gonna scroll up because I don't want you to see the conversation. But what happened right here, let me scroll down, is I DM'd twice, and on the second one he responded 5 days later, right? And he said, "Are you free tomorrow?" And from there, we scheduled an appointment, right? Or where and when I would cut his hair. But that is a quick tip on how to DM someone you're trying to cut. Man, what I hope that did, right, is it's a free nugget, you feel me? Because at the end of the day, it's all about, adding value to you. And I want to add value to you guys and allow you guys to have amazing opportunities. Now that is a great tip that has been working for me, so go ahead and apply it to you. I'll give it to you, you feel me? And it's no hard feelings if you take one of my people from me, but good luck, you know what I'm saying? But I hope that helps you, you know what I'm saying? And now what really pushed me to sit there and DM all those people is, like I said, I you know what I mean? The chances of them just hearing about me are so slim. And I was like, man, a lot of times that's like us in life, right? We feel like we're so good at something that things are just bound to happen. We expect that to happen. And it's like, nah, bro, if you're not putting in the work, opportunities aren't gonna come, you feel me? You have to go and make an opportunity happen for you. Things aren't just given, for the most part. Sometimes things are, by the grace of God. That's my dude Aaron walking in here. My bad, family. Aaron cut me off. But like I was saying, a lot of times we expect opportunities to just happen to us, or we rely on somebody else to give us a gift or an opportunity, right? And sometimes it happens. Sometimes it does, but almost always it does not, right? The odds usually are in our favor. So what you need to do is make yourself known. You have to put in the work and make an opportunity for yourself and not expect anyone else to give it to you, right? A dope quote that I heard this week said, if nothing changes, nothing changes, right? Now let me say it again. If nothing changes, nothing changes. It's so simple, yet we fail to realize it every day in our life, right? We do the same thing consistently. We wake up, have the same routine, do the same things, and then wonder why we're not where we want to be, or wonder why we're not getting a certain result or outcome. It's because what you're doing now is not working. So it's time to revamp your life, revamp how you attack your goals. And then attack them with a determination and not expecting anyone to give you an opportunity to go and make it for yourself. So family, continue to chase those dreams, continue to push and grind. Thank you for watching this video. Without further ado, I pray that you gain something from it, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and follow me at Dreclipperhands. I'm really trying to hit 10K on there. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know if this helps you down in the comment section. But thank you, family, for tuning in. Catch y'all next time.